Welcome to the Scout Guide. In today's video, I show you how to rename a payment method using the Next Reorder app. So renaming payment method help make your checkout clearer and easier for customers to understand. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Click Get Started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So to rename, we can choose the payment method and here we can click on quick rename payment method. So configure the rule. We have to give the role name. Here I'm giving rename credit card. Okay, the rule status is activated. Here we can select the payment method. Here I'm selecting credit card. Okay, now here we can rename. So here I'm giving like pay securely by card. Okay, that's it. So here it giving the warning like PayPal, Amazon Pay, Shopify and certain other payment method is not supported. Okay, so here in preview section we can see that it is to us credit card before, so now it will be updated to pay securely by card. So before saving, we can go to the checkout section and let's see what it will be. Yeah, here we can see it is in credit card named. Now we can click on save and let's see the difference. Okay, the rule has been created. Go to the checkout section and let's refresh. Okay, here we can see pay securely by card. So instead of credit card, it is changed. So that's it. So at checkout, you'll see the payment method displayed with its new name that we given. So this make the payment option easier for customers to understand. So that's it. So renaming payment method or merchant group label help reduce confusing and give customer a clearer checkout experience. So that's it. You have successfully renamed a payment method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.